Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Taha Institute of Science and Engineering. This is the 13th lecture of Fundamentals of Chemistry, in which we are going to cover the topics of molecular ions and the difference between the molecule and molecular ions. Start the topic of the day, that is molecular ion. What is molecular ion? As we have read in detail the ion the last lecture, in which we have studied that when an atom loses or gains electrons, it formed ions. If an atom is losing electrons, it gains the positive charge, and then it is known as cation. And when an atom gains an electron and gets the negative charge, then it is known as anion. And in the same way, in case of molecular ion, when a molecule loses or gains an electron, it forms a molecular ion. So molecular ion is a species having positive or negative charge. Then the question is, how molecular ion is formed? When gases are bombarded with high energy electrons in a discharge tube, they ionize to give molecular ions. As we know, there are two types of ions, and in the same case of molecule, there are also two types of molecular ions. Cationic molecular ions, if a molecule loses electrons and gains positive charge, so it is known as cationic molecular ion. And when a molecule gains electron and gets negative charge carrying molecule is known as the anionic molecular ions. And the cationic molecular ions are more abundant than anionic molecular ions. For example, methane. When methane gas is bombarded with high energy electrons in a discharge tube, they ionize to give molecular ions by losing its electrons. And in the same way, when a helium gas is bombarded with high energy electrons in a discharge tube, then helium gas ionizes to give molecular ions by losing its electron. And in the same case for nitrogen, when a molecule of nitrogen gas is bombarded with high energy electrons in a discharge tube, then the nitrogen molecule ionizes to give molecular ion by losing electrons. And the next, we have the difference between molecule and molecular ion. We have to learn what is the difference between molecule and molecular ion. Molecule, as we know, molecule is the smallest particle of an element or a compound which can exist independently and show all the properties of that compound. Whereas molecular ion, as we have learnt, that the molecular ion is formed by gain or lose of electrons by a molecule, and molecule is always neutral, whereas ion is by definition is the charge carrying species. So molecular ion always have a negative or a positive charge, and the molecule is formed by the combination of atoms. It means the atoms combine to form molecule, whereas in molecular ion is formed by the ionization of a molecule, and the molecule is a stable unit, whereas molecular ion is a highly reactive species. Is the lecture of the day, and in the next lecture we will discuss the free radicals. So stay with us and keep watching our videos for more knowledge. Kindly like, share our videos, and do not forget to subscribe the channel if you like our work. Please press the bell icon button. May Allah bless you. Thank you.